That's an onion, not a ball. Give it to me. Drop it. Give it to me.
No, quit! Let go!
It's your baby, huh?
Say wee! Doctor? Washing machine. Car? Num num.
Babe, she's been drinking all day.
Excuse me, I had an appointment for today. He's married. Oh.
Bob, you've come to collect your Rottweiler after a sleepover at Nanny's.
Hi.
Who done this?
Scooby. No.
Hello? Hello?
Do you like squeaky toys?
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?
He has no idea what's behind him. Oh, you.
You go downstairs?
Are you kidding me?
How men talk to dogs. Hey, buddy, you good boy. How women talk to dogs.
Hey! No! 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 No!
Come on, speak! Speak! Good boy.
Move! That's not what I meant at all.
You are. Yeah, shut up, honestly. You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your spring.
You have the dogs that love the water. And then you have the dogs that hate the water.
Cutie, sit. What a good boy.
I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow, and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it, then I'm gonna.
Oh, I hope a big booty girl that loves tacos and dogs doesn't follow me home. Sadie, quit eating those. I'm trying to find you a mom.
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Hi. Hello. Can you go downstairs?
So freaking. Excuse me! No! No!